So my next guest has been in many of the hottest names in the market. Here's the thing, she's been in them for long before they got hot. I'm going to bring in now Kim Forrest, founder CIO Bokeh Capital Partners. And Kim, I know you've owned Micron, Intel, Nvidia, all the names on this list just about, right? Here's the thing though, you began buying them or going down this path in 2020. What did you see then? Because certainly some of the value propositions now didn't necessarily exist then.
No, and I'll be the first to admit it. But I don't know that I'm all that incredibly lucky. What I was really looking for was a way to play whatever was next in software. I come out of, I came into this industry as an ex-software engineer. I covered software companies. And in 2020, there was no publicly traded software companies that were exciting. But I know that all software has to be delivered on hardware. So that's why we invested in these names, knowing that at some point, some cool software was going to be created and run on them and make them in demand. And here we are.
It's so amazing because this whole thing has been turned upside down, where software got 70% of the cash. Now hardware, semis get 79% of the cash, and software is at the bottom. I know you also are we've talked about Rocket Labs before, and again, falling back on your software engineering experience and dealing with DARPA. It's interesting because I read what you said. That's one of the reasons you don't do a lot of defense contracts. Like the bigger the contractor are, usually the smaller the margins. You don't think that's going to apply to Rocket Lab, though?
No, and it's because for several reasons. Firstly, I think the government's rethinking how they're doing things. SpaceX is probably helping with that. And what Rocket Labs does is a whole bunch of stuff having to do with space, and they're doing it as a public company. I'm a capitalist, and I think the best way to get value is to have companies competing for business, not being handed really large, decades-long contracts. So I think this is a win for taxpayers as well as shareholders, and that's what caught our eye.
Coherent, someone talked about it earlier today in the show. They just signed a pact with Nvidia. The stock has rallied tremendously. I mean, the stock, we're going to pull up the chart, like from 50 bucks right to the shadows of 400. I know it's a local company. Are you still in this? Like, how far can this stock go?
I am. Well, I think that the company makes really difficult to make products. And that's, again, capitalist Kim here, talking about being a good company where they satisfy their clients' needs. And that's why we continue to hold on to them, because over time they have changed from just creating very hard to make lenses for lasers that are working in steel companies to now all sorts of laser parts and lasers, and those are probably going to end up in a data center somewhere. So we're a believer in this company and how they make the products, not just what products they're making.
And by the way, when you told that story before on air, I had never heard it before, and the origins of it and how they were able to retrofit this for the modern era. Phenomenal stuff. A lot of people are up big because of it. I got 30 seconds. What's on your radar right now that you're not in, but you're spying pretty closely?
I'm still looking for a way to get into software somehow. I love software. Come on, somebody make me a good public company. Yeah.
All right.
So that's what I'm looking for, but not finding it.
All right, Kim Forrest, you've been killing it. Thanks a lot. Talk to you again real soon.
Thank you.